Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, back at it again with yet another video. It's me, Thomas. I didn't say who it was. It's Thomas. Hi. It's Thomas. Back at it again with yet another video. In today's video, I thought because I do so many videos where I review products and sometimes they're misses, sometimes they're success. I did a video like this last year where I did like a full face of products that are actually good, and I thought I could kind of keep doing that where I just sit down and show you guys products that I actually love. So I have some Dragun beauty, I have new brands that I want to show you guys from HipDot. I did partner up with HipDot for today's video, partnering with them to show you guys some of their products that I've really been loving and I've been trying out for the past month. So check out HipDot if you have not already. There'll be a link down below in the description box. By the way, I am more active on my Instagram, so if you could please go head over to my Instagram and give me a huge follow. There will be a giveaway in this video. All you have to do to enter that giveaway is follow my Instagram and go like and comment my recent post, which will probably be an Instagram video. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Like I said in my last video, which you guys did not watch, please. If you're here, go watch my last video to get ready with me. 2 seconds to subscribe. So, I mean, you've already clicked on this video. You've already clicked on my face. You've already done all the things that you have to do to tap on a video and watch it. So why not click that like button? Super easy, super simple. So the first product I'm going to do my eyes first, just because the product I'm using is like really colorful, and if I mess up, I don't have to like worry about ruining the rest of my base makeup. But I'm going into my favorite eye primer right now, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. This stuff is absolutely insane. I just got a new, like my own. I was using my boyfriend's for the longest time, and I finally got my own. And the reason why I like this product so much is because a little bit goes a long way as I sit here and like about to apply like the absolute most for no reason. I don't want to say it's just like the P. Louise eye bases. It's more like it's kind of like that, but it's also like not like that, because the P. Louise eye bases are super thick. This one's a little bit more runny, but still provides like a lot of coverage on the lid, but it does act just like the P. Louise eye bases. Like it's literally pretty much the same, but it like makes eyeshadow blend on top of it so nicely, makes eyeshadow super pigmented. It's my favorite thing. Like I just want super pigmented, high impact eyeshadows all the time. Okay, so for eyeshadow, I'm going into this palette from HipDot. This palette I have actually not tried yet. I've tried their other palettes that I absolutely love. This is one that I just received in the mail. It is the Rio palette from HipDot. It has some glitters and a bunch of colorful matte. Their products, I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna use one of their face palettes. This face palette, like, this has been, as you can see, like my go-to face palette that I'm going to be using later on in today's video. But this is like a new indie brand. They're cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, talc-free, mineral oil-free, and petroleum-free. So it's like a super clean product. The people that have helped curate this brand have come from Pat McGrath, Milk Makeup. They've come from like prestigious areas of the beauty community and beauty industry. And they basically took all their knowledge that they've had over the years of just being in the industry and created amazing products for super affordable prices. And like their packaging is insane. It has like this really cool thing where you can like prop it up and use it as like a vanity. This is another one of their palettes. This is the Zeon Palette, and then we have the Zeon Palette. And all of their palettes are just super pretty. I am going to be giving away an extra one of these to one of you guys. All you have to do is be following my Instagram and like and comment on my recent post on Instagram. I already have it bubble wrapped and ready to go to be shipped. I'll be giving it to one of you guys. I'll pick a winner within like 3 days or something. I'll DM you on Instagram, so make sure your Instagram is public, not private. I'm gonna go into, I don't know how to pronounce this, but this shade. I'm just going to start mapping out the crease. I'm just using this as a transition shade because I kind of want to do something soft today. I feel like I'm a little tired of doing too much color. I feel like I've been doing constant color, so I'm going to go into their more chill palettes. I'm going to go into this one. This is the Zeon palette, and I'm going to go into probably Canyon here. I don't know what look I'm doing. I really don't. Like, I just don't know what I'm doing today. Again, I'll have Hip Dot linked down below so you guys can check out their products. But like, as you can see, like, this shit's really good. I don't know what eye look I'm doing right now. I honestly legitimately have no idea what I'm doing right now. I'm just letting my creative juices flow. Do you know what I mean? I'm just like letting my creative juices just pour out of me. Cause I'm just so creative, you know what I mean? Should I do a halo eye? I'm gonna do a halo eye. Oh my god, this palette is so good. Hip Top palettes are insane. I'm trying to tell you guys, like, this brand is the next big thing. I'm like dead ass serious. So I'm gonna finish up this eye off camera, put my lashes on, and then I will be right back. Now that my eyes are done, I did use my Lily Lashes Miami's to do the lashes. And then I used my Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. This is waterproof. I only use waterproof or thick mascaras on my lashes because it keeps them curled, because my lashes stick straight down. That is a trick for you guys if you experience the same thing I experienced. I feel it in my soul that Hip Dot is going to be huge in the future, so please, well, they're still a baby company. They're really, really awesome. I love them. I'll be giving away the Rio palette. Moving on to the face, I'm going to be color correcting with my Dragun Beauty color corrector. This is, what is this called? The Dragonfire Skin Perfecting Potion. And I'm just going to be color correcting my under eyes. I do like this product because I do experience a lot of hyperpigmentation, not hyperpigmentation, but like a lot of dullness and darkness on my eyes. And I mean, it just works like any other color corrector out there. So if you don't want to use that one, you can literally use any other color corrector. But I like this because it does dry down really fast, which is why I'm freaking the F out, because I need to find my brush to, hello? Oh my God, I'm like freaking out, hello? My day-to-day life, I do get like grayness poking through, a lot of dullness poking through. And what this does is it kind of counteracts that because it's like literally orange. It's adding a layer of life under your skin when you're putting it on, like your foundation on over top of it. And the reason why I like the Dragun Beauty one is because it does dry down like to literally like it literally like dries down. Like, so for foundation today, I'm gonna go into my Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. You guys know that this is one of my favorites, and I feel like it does not get the hype it deserves because this shit is banger. So flawless and so like airbrush. Not a lot of foundations do this for me, but this foundation does it, and it lasts literally all fucking day. I would be using the foundation that I've been like raving about like nonstop. Do you see how like, okay, this is what I'm saying. You see how fucking crazy I look and how this foundation is not only covering up the color corrector, but the color corrector is not mixing in with the foundation. I did not have to set the color corrector at all. And like, I don't know, it's a good color corrector. Like, say what you want about Nikita or whatever. I know when a product is good, and this product is good. Okay, so moving on into concealer. Of course, my Born This Way concealer from Too Faced is like literally God-sent concealer, like the best concealer ever. However, another good concealer that I wanted to mention is the L'Oreal, the new L'Oreal Infallible. I think I have it somewhere. I'll show it on the screen. That's another really good one. I'm just not using that today because I'm caking it on today. Like full on cake today, and I want hella coverage. The reason why I love this concealer so much is because it's like, it's full coverage, but it's like super hydrating. So if you have dry under eyes like me, it's not gonna give you like this really like crepey look. I'm gonna use my Lancome long time no shine powder. You guys, please buy this powder. It's the best powder ever, period. Point blank period. It's the best powder on the market, period. There's not a better powder than this one. I mean that. At the bottom of my heart, I mean that there's not, I deadass mean there's not a better powder than the Lancome one. I'm going to use that to set my under eyes today. And every other day of my life for the rest of my life. Then taking that Lancome powder and just pushing it in to the skin so there's no creasing. So next I'm going to go into this Dragun Beauty face powder, and I'm going to mix the two shades together. Next up, to contour the face, I'm going to go into my Fenty Beauty Island Ting bronzer. This is by far my favorite bronzer of all time. I love Fenty stuff. I like this bronzer because it's not too pigmented, so you can really build it up and really get like this nice airbrushed contour and bronze. Like I honestly, I don't really, I guess, contour like that anymore. I just like diffuse a bronzer and call it a day. Next, I'm gonna go into this Hip Dot face palette. It's literally called Perfect Face. And I'm going to dip into this bronzer shade as well, just because I do love this palette as well. And I love the shade in this. Next, I'm gonna go into the same Hip Dot palette and go into the blush shade and start blushing my face. So pretty. So I'm gonna use this because I'm not as tan and not as dark. I'm gonna use this as a base. A friend of mine, Kevy Kojer, who's also like a working makeup artist, taught me this like really cool technique with highlighters to like start with a base highlighter that's kind of like maybe like a little bit darker than your skin tone, maybe like the same shade as your contour shade, and use it as like a base and then like build up in lightness from there. So what I'm gonna do is use this as my base highlight, which is already really stunning and shows up a little bit more on like darker complexions, but use this as my base and like use it all over the cheek. I'm gonna go into my Melt Cosmetics highlighter, which is a stunning highlighter in Morning Star, this like white, and then use it right on top. Look at this. And then it just like takes it to the next level. Like that. Yes. Going back into the Hip Dot palette, I'm going to run Majesty on the lower lash line. Oh my god, such a pretty purple. I'm telling you guys, this Hip Dot stuff, you need to try it. Now going into my Urban Decay All Nighter Summer Solstice. This stuff is so good. This is their summer scented setting spray. This is my all nighter. Urban Decay All Nighter literally makes my makeup last all night next year through the fucking global warming. I'm just gonna set my face. Yes. Next, going into Milkshake from Anastasia Beverly Hills, the liquid lipstick. I'm gonna put this all over. Going back into Cork and just blending the edges out. And then going into my favorite gloss of all time, my Patrick Ta gloss. Oh my god, and she's an influencer. This gloss. Oh my god. Alright you guys, that is it for today's video. I am super glam, to be honest. I'm never this glam. I just felt like doing some glam makeup and showing you guys my favorite products. I'm sorry if this video wasn't that interesting. It was more of like a tutorial type thing. I just wanted to sit down and show you guys some of my favorite products that I've been loving, and this is some of the products I've been loving. Don't forget, check out Hip Dot. They're an amazing brand. They're just starting out and they really deserve the support because it's an amazing, 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 amazing brand. I'll have them linked down below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm sorry if it was a little bit more chill. Wasn't too like, I wasn't trying to like make you guys like laugh or whatever. I was just like sitting down and playing with makeup and showing you guys my favorite products. Next video will be a little bit more entertaining. I'm going to be reviewing your guys' makeup for a video. So anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Thank you Hip Dot for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you in either Wednesday or I think I'm gonna post on Wednesday, either Wednesday or Friday. I'll see you this Wednesday or this Friday. I love you guys so much, and yeah, bye guys.